guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Christmas ornament Dollar Tree DIY. I like to do a coastal theme for my Christmas tree. I'm going to start with a Dollar Tree wood slice ornament, and I'm going to make a little hanger for it out of some twine. I'm not going to use the hole that's drilled in there because I want it to be kind of vertical. What I want to do is make that into a sea turtle shell. Now for the flippers, the head and the tail, I'm just using some of the Dollar Tree air dry clay. And I just do kind of an oval shape for the sea turtle head, embedding the twine in the back of it, so that will also attach the hanger to the ornament. Now for the flippers, you just have to almost make like a triangle with the clay and shape it like a sea turtle flipper. If you need to, you can like look at a picture for that. I think generally the larger flippers are in the front, so that's how I'm setting mine up. Again, they're just like kind of like curved triangles almost. And I do 4 flippers and then a little small pointed turtle tail. I'm going to paint those. I'm not going to leave them white, but white was probably the best color I could find for this project. They do have different colors though, so you can get creative with that. I just go ahead and fill in the hole in the wood ornament with a little bit of wood filler, and then I'm going to go ahead and attach the head, all 4 sea turtle flippers, and the tail with just a little bit of hot glue. What I want to do for the turtle shell is use some of the Dollar Tree sea glass to make like a cool pattern on its back. And so since I'm using those blue-green colors, I think that the flippers would look really good if I did them like in a light blue. I'm using just an acrylic paint cloudless, and I am going to paint all of the flippers and the head and tail all the same color just to have it kind of coordinate better. I noticed that the sea glass comes in a couple different color variations now at Dollar Tree, but I'm trying to pick out some of the smaller pieces because this is kind of a smaller scale project. And I want a variety of colors, and I can even kind of try to do a pattern on the sea turtle shell with this. I like the fact that it's just the raw wood. I think that's going to make a perfect little sea turtle shell. I just kind of did like 4 corners of like the teal. I'm going to use the green to go around the rim for part of my pattern. And just kind of seeing what works. I do another teal one in the middle, and then I went in with like the clear ones and filled in the rest of the turtle shell. I'm not going to use any kind of filler in between them. I want the wood to kind of show through. And then I just flip it over, reinforcing the glue on these. And I'm also going to paint the back of the flippers and the head and everything just because it's hanging on the Christmas tree. I don't want you to be able to see like an unpainted side of the clay. It's air dry clay, so it should set up on its own. And this was such a fun DIY to make for my coastal Christmas tree. Let me show you how it turned out. So much fun. If you'd like more Dollar Tree Christmas DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. I have both coastal and traditional Christmas DIYs.